A quick introduction to Buddians, highlighting its valuable features designed to support schools and institutions effectively. Whether you're a single school or a chain of institutions, Buddians is here to support complete assessment automation, from setting rules, capturing results, and generating reports with remedial actions, to standardizing schedules and managing attendance, equipment, tournaments, and more. Our core feature, video analysis using vision technology, leverages just a smartphone camera, eliminating the hassle of paper, pens, or measurement tools. Easily record student assessments one by one or in groups of up to 3 in a single video. Simply record, upload, and receive insights within minutes, making the process seamless and efficient. Create custom assessments with your own measurement criteria, easily add players, and store results. Using the group timer option, you can operate a single stopwatch for multiple students simultaneously, for example 600-meter run. You can record each student's finish time. A recording option is also available for assessments. Accessing endurance tests like the beep test and yo-yo test is very easy. Simply open the test, select the players, and start the test. For better sound, you can also connect a Bluetooth speaker. Once the test is completed, the report is generated immediately and the results are stored against each player. Optionally, access results of students anytime. Defining assessments and planning assessments for a given class with date range never was easier. Once defined, use computer vision auto assessments to analyze all students in standardized way. You can also use our standardized assessment values based on age and gender. Once you select the age, applicable assessments will be automatically assigned to the relevant classes, for example, the running assessment starting from 3rd grade. As a head of the institute or physical education teacher, easily check the assessment progress percentage with individual students' score. You can also view the top 10 achievers in each category, making it easy to recognize top-performing students and motivate others through healthy competition. Generating reports has never been easier. Simply select the batch and date range to generate reports based on the pre-configured assessment schedules. Each report includes AI-suggested remedial actions and a detailed view of every assessment for each student. You can generate a single report for the entire class or individual PDFs for each student, with the option to send the reports directly to their email addresses. Admin tasks can be accessed on both Windows and Mac systems. Easily generate gate analysis reports for students using just a smartphone recording. The app automatically detects deviations, highlights possible deformities, and suggests muscle strengthening actions. Reports include clear visuals and easy to understand insights to support effective student guidance. Define schedule and assign to different classes with easy to use interface. Helps to standardize schedules for a given class across sections or across schools. The app also includes features to manage sports equipment, allowing coaches to easily trace and track each item. Additionally, it provides the ability to nominate students for sports events or tournaments and record the outcomes, helping maintain a complete history of all events. Adding schools is simple. Just enter the location and set up a georadius to enable attendance tracking and assessment recording within the designated area. A highly valuable feature for school chains, allowing multiple branch locations to be added, tracked, and monitored seamlessly. Schools can comprehensively assess reports across all branches, ensuring streamlined performance evaluation and data-driven decision-making. Managing players has never been easier. You can effortlessly add players by selecting their school, class, and section, or simply upload a player list for quick setup. Assign coaches to specific schools, sections, or as common coaches, and define their roles to streamline team management. We prioritize user data privacy and security, ensuring that all data will be safe and protected. Your information is handled with highest standard of privacy, giving you complete peace. Everything is designed for simplicity. Only a smartphone and a tripod are required for recording. By default permissions, final output video won't be available to view by anyone. Find these clips on how depth we capture player key points to capture assessments results.